Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Today I'm going to be doing a beach inspired pour. I did one a couple of weeks ago, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago with pigments, and this is going to be very similar except for the last one I swiped with white and this one I'm going to swipe with gold. I've already laid my gold base down and I have these pigments. These are black diamond pigments. I can't remember what the name of this one is, but it's a really pretty kind of dark blue. And then this one is sort of a turquoisey color. So I'm gonna lay these down and then lay some more gold on top and swipe with that. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm gonna lay this darker blue down first. I'm gonna try to swipe the whole thing at once. I personally like that better than just going through and swiping with, cards that are, a few inches long, because that can just leave these lines that make it look a little bit less organic. So, but that's just me. Personally, I like to try to swipe the whole thing if possible. Do that. I'm going to wet the end of it with just water. And fingers crossed we can get this to work and not have any places that didn't get swiped. There you go. Ish. There's a couple places that didn't quite especially when they're resined. Like when you're working with pigments, they really need to be resined to bring out the pigments. So I think that's really important. Attracted to anybody but me, but I'm kind of a science nerd. It kind of looks like a spine with nerve endings going throughout the rest of the body. But that's just my interpretation, and that's probably not everybody else's, and probably a lot of people don't want it to be a spine with nerves going through the body. But you know, that's why art's so cool. You can see what you want, and you can interpret what you want. You guys, I think I'm gonna call this one done. I love this lacing in these cells throughout here, and hopefully some more will pop up as well. But yep, that'll be it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.